let me be honest with you. Most Christians are using their religion and their belief for moral purpose. They are using it to be right people, to act right, to know that this is approved by the Bible for me to do, which is good. But beyond that, God is more interested in reigning over life itself physically. For God so loved the world that he gave. God loved the physical world. When God started to create in the book of Genesis, he created the physical world. God is a spirit, and those who believe in him should worship him in truth and in spirit. Those who worship God will use their spirits to do so, because God is a spirit. But he is a spirit that is more interested in reigning to the physical dimension. God is after the physical. God is not only manifesting on the spiritual, whereby you will understand that we have this belief structure that we have created around Christianity, whereby we only want to see God manifesting according to our hearts, according to what we think should be right now. I mean, like, you find people in these days that are likely to believe that God can heal the sick, cast out demons, and the prophecies and such supernatural manifestation of the Spirit of God. Many disapprove. Many are afraid to believe in that because they feel it's more than what meets the eye. There is something behind, so they are afraid that it might not be God. In as much as you can believe that Satan can orchestrate things in the spirit, let me tell you, God can orchestrate things in the spirit. Things that can come your way. I mean, God is more interested in your physical body than you can think.